What is the ketogenic diet, and does it treat epilepsy?
Thanks for your question. My name is Rachel Finn. I am a clinical chef educator with Children's Mercy. I'm going to explain what the ketogenic diet is and how we use it to treat epilepsy. The Children's Mercy Ketogenic Diet Program is a medically prescribed, personalized diet plan that is high in fats and very low in carbohydrates. For reasons scientists don't fully understand, changing the body's main source of energy from carbohydrates to fats has a calming effect on the brain. The ketogenic diet significantly improves the quality of life for more than 90% of our kids in our program. Our typical patient has tried 2 or 3 different medications without success before entering the ketogenic diet program. For many kids, eating keto, usually combined with medications, means they can finally experience life with fewer or even no seizures for the first time. The ketogenic diet we use to treat epilepsy is different from the keto diet that adults use to lose weight. Our diet is a medically prescribed treatment plan that must be carefully monitored by a team of doctors, nutritionists, and dietitians. Children on the diet need several kinds of nutritional supplements and can experience serious side effects if not under a doctor's care. The ketogenic diet program starts with a week-long hospital stay. This is so we can monitor your child's health when beginning the diet and educate your family about how to prepare ketogenic foods. After your child is released from the hospital, you'll follow up with the healthcare team so they can make adjustments to your child's diet and medications. While some kids can transition off the diet after using it for several months, others may need to follow it for life, making it a significant commitment for kids and their families. Children's Mercy is here to help ease the transition through a variety of resources and support services. Watch our next video. Learn more about epilepsy. Visit childrensmercy.org/react.